So today we are gonna do dissection of this thing. This thing is called as hibiscus. I don't know what is its scientific name. I'm just starting out, and the bandage is because I cut my hand during one of the experiments. So I'm taking a sterile blade out. It is surgeon sterile blade. I don't know. It's ISI certified. So first I'm taking this out. 1 second. Yep, so as you can see, this is the blade. It's already sterile, but prevention is better than cure. So see this, it's a wet hanky, not a wet hanky, something called a wet tissue which you use after food or snacks. So I'm just polishing this fair enough so that no infections can happen to me. Apparently I cut my thumb with one of these blades. I hope it's clean. Is it? Let's swipe it a bit. Yeah, perfect. Now what am I gonna do is this is called a surgical blades holding thing. So I'm gonna see, let me show you the procedure. It is like this. You put it inside and push it from here. Be careful, my hand is paining a bit, but yeah, if you push it, it kind of clicks like that, and the blade is ready for today's dissection of hibiscus. It's a bud, it's not completely a flower, but that doesn't separate us from doing its dissection. So the toolkit which I'm taking out today are gonna be a needle and a pair of tweezers. I am taking it out. Yes, here are the pair of tweezers and a sterile scissor. It's a new scissor which I am taking out today, and I'm taking out this. I hope it is not illegal because it's just a bud and there are thousands of bud in my garden. And let's take this out. These are all the weaponaries which we have, not weaponaries, basically dissection tools. This is a forceps, small scissor, a blade and a needle. So what are we gonna do first is we're gonna examine the the bud. So as we can see, these are the sepals, these are the petals, and I don't think so the anther filament is it's developed. You can see it out here. I hope you can see it in the dark. No dark. After dissecting we'll get to know it. So the first thing which we're gonna do is gonna slowly cut the sepals out. So observe it carefully. Yeah, so we cut the sepals in this part. Let's cut it out here also, slowly, not hard, slow enough. Yes, slowly. It's perfect. Over here also, and let's cut it. So I don't know how many sepals are there. I suppose it is 6. I'll tell the count later after I finish this. Wait, this is a bit harder. Yeah, taken out. This one too. Yes. Yeah. So we have, I think so, 1 out here, 2 out here, 3, and I think so there are 5. Am I right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, there are 5 sepals, and this is the sepal part. Let me just bring it all back. So this is now the first step of dissection of this bud hibiscus. which is the removal of the sepals. And the next one, which I might be doing now, is, one second, I might bring all this back so that you can see the petals completely. One broke out. No worries. This is the sepals. I think so. We can not need to cut them all out. One cell don't spoil everything. Yeah. So I'll remove the down stem part, not the stem part, the base of the bud slowly through the operation skills which I have developed. One slow cut. I think that's enough. Yes, slowly and steadily. Yes, we have removed this. There are 4, but apparently one fell out during the removal, so there are total of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 sepals were there. Keeping it aside, now here is, this came here, keeping it aside. So this is our main flower, basically the bud of the flower. So now we are opening this flower slowly with the help of a needle. So first we are going to find the edges of this. Here is one edge and I am slowly removing it out, hoping so I don't damage anything. Did I? No, I didn't. Yes. Removing this out slowly, carefully. Yes. One more. And the problem with this bandage is it slips. So I'm gonna use my index and middle finger. Yes. Slowly out here. And yes. So we're gonna, I think so everything is done. Can we remove this out? Can we? No, I don't think so. It's easy enough to remove this, but let's try. Trying is not an issue. Yes, and slowly I'm able to remove, I think so, now first one. Yes, the second one. Yes, it has come out. The third one, it is on its way to come out. But yeah, I'll blow air so that it comes out faster. Yeah, so as you can see, I have successfully removed the petals out of the way. Yes. Let me make a small cut out here so that they come out not huge. It's a small one. Yes, everywhere. 1, 2, 3, 4, and last one, 5. Yes. So now I think so we can see this. This is the most problematic part, the removal of all these petals, so that we can see the stigma, anther. I don't think so we can see the ovary because it is a hermaphroditic. Hermaphrodite is for animal. It is bisexual plant because it has both male and female gametes located inside this. And the yellow thing which you can see as I broke it. No worries. The yellow thing which you can see is the pollen grains, and I am gonna remove all of these petals so that we can see the interior of this. Using the surgical blade, we are gonna remove this off slowly. Yeah. So first thing is I'm gonna remove this, cutting it out with the blade slightly enough. Yes, I have removed this one out. Yes, this is the first petal. I'm gonna keep it a bit aside somewhere here. Yeah, that does the work. The second one, I think so should commit on its own, but it's not, so okay. A little bit of help need be required out in this, not there, in this. Yeah, fine. So cut it out. So we're gonna remove this one out. So it's gonna take a bit of time. Is it? Yes, I should have cut it more properly. I didn't, but okay, no worries, we can improve it. Yes, we removed it. Now after the removal of this thing, we have, I think so, our second petal. Yeah. Oh, it is behind the attached one. No worries, I'll remove it off. Yes. Now I think so we didn't remove only one but many petals on a go. Let's remove this one. So 1 second, let me help of my surgical blade. There is some pollen out here. Can you see it? Is it visible? I don't know. It's out here. Yeah, I'm pointing it through the shop. Wait, is it clear in the video? Yes, it's clear. My feather. Where are you? Oh, it's here. 1, 2, 3. Let's put the needle above it so it doesn't fly. So we are cutting it, not the pollen. Remove the pollen. No, it went in. No worries. We are removing this one out. It's killed. It's torn here. No worries. We are removing it slowly, but I don't think so it will work. Let's try with the blade. Yep, boy, come on. Yes, we removed it. So now you can see the entire pistil. Oh wait, is it sticking to my hand? No, entire pistil in front of myself. So I'll show you all the parts of the flower. Let me assemble these pollen grains here. You know, some people have kind of allergy to pollen grains. That's why you might remember in weather apps they show you pollen information and all. So this is sepals. These are a group of petals which apparently came out through some wrongdoing, I suppose, but no, it's not. There are group of petals one below the other, and this is one more petal, a single petal, and this is one more petal. And yeah, do you remember at the beginning of this when we had only 4, and this is our 5th guy, which was supposed to be here in this one over here, but it came out while performing the dissection. So this is the parts of the flower. I hope you can all see it properly. Let me zoom it a bit for you guys. Yeah, so this is the sepal in the green part, and this is the group of petals, and this is the, I don't know its name, but I think so it is pistil or stamen. No, stamen is outside, but yeah, the down part is ovary. I'll show you the down part. This part is the ovary or ovum, where, if you know, whenever a pollen grain fertilizes itself, somewhere out here, the red part, pollen grains go through this. They sense it because of species specificity. It gets to know whether it's its own pollen grain or some other flowers, and they go through here, through this. Wait, let me show it to you. Through this red color thing I can see, goes, fertilizes here, and it turns into a new plant in other species, whereas in the hibiscus it grows through stem. So I don't think so such type of reproduction or fertilization happens here. This is one more flower, and these are group of flowers over here. So that's it, nothing much more, I suppose. Is it this much? Yeah, you can see sepals, flowers, stigma, ovary, everything, petals out here. And the tools which I used are, I used a needle, I used a blade, I didn't use a scissor, right? I didn't use a scissor. And tweezers, I don't think so these are required, but let me hold it to show for you guys just for a moment so that I can say I use this thing. Yeah, through this you can get a nice view of how it is done. Yeah, I'll explain it. Just a second, let me hold it. Yeah, so in this thing, as you can see, wait, I am bad in this side. I'm good, but at the same time bad. Okay, fine. So wait, let me make it straight. Yeah, great. So as you can see, what was I explaining was fertilization. Pollen falls over here. My needle is pointing it. It goes down through this. It fertilizes here, and the fruit is formed. So I don't know to which phylum does this thing belong, but I'm pretty sure it might belong to the kingdom Plantae. In Plantae, is it bryophyte, pteridophytes, gymnosperm, or angiosperms? I don't know it is, but I'm pretty sure I performed the dissection successfully with some errors, which is like falling of this petal and breaking of one of the petals, which is I can improve it on. And thank you for seeing this video. Thank you. Have a good day.